Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to download the Millimeter app step by step. Turn on the feature and Millimeter to get all the feature unlock unlimited flight, unlimited length, health, one shot kills, fast speed in Millimeter, unlimited booster, and can go through wall just like this. I moving through the wall. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please to give this video a like and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I show you how to download this Millimeter app now. So go on your phone. So go on your mobile phone, click on Play Store right now. So you're going to click on Play Store. Now you're going to type in Telegram. So you type in Telegram, you're going to click on install. So I click on install, so the Telegram is going to install from Play Store. Your Play Store, you're going to install your Telegram from now. So you have to have a Telegram for this menu to work. Now you're going to click on open, everyone. So you're going to click on open. Soon as the Telegram open, now everyone, you're going to sign up to this Telegram. So the page you're going to look when you finish installing, everyone. So put in your country, your phone number. After you complete this task, your phone number and your country. Now to get this Millimeter app now, everyone. So there is a link going to be in my comment section, everyone. After you finish sign up to Telegram, yes, a link going to be in my pin comment. That is red on the screen. A link going to be in my pin comment, everyone. So check the link in my pin comment. I will show you how to download it. After you click on the link in my comment section now, everyone, you see that look thing pointing on the blue writing right there, so Militia 5.6 APK. So you're going to click on it, everyone. Click on it. So Telegram going to show you this now to set up able it. You know, you're going to turn on the permission to Telegram now, everyone. So you're going to click on the link back again. That is the on arrow that I'm showing. The Pocket installer come up now. So the link going to show that it's going to install now, everyone. So don't skip a bit on the video. So you're going to click on the link back again. That is the on arrow. So you're going to show Pocket installer again, everyone. See here, you're going to download from a file now, guys. You see it a download from your files? Yes, 100% working, that I'm telling you. 100% working. New app right here. Yes, guys. This is how to download your Millimeter app. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and share it out. Guys, if you try that blue link and it doesn't work, there is more than one link on the Telegram website, guys. There's more than one link in my Telegram group, so if that link doesn't work, you can try next one. Yes, everyone. I hope this video really helpful to you. Yes, 100% working. So if you're facing any problem to download this Millimeter app, you can let me know in my comment section as well.